to the carnival. And it's after the fiesta already. And Eris have already been on the trampoline. Hello. Okay. Mag-ride tayo. Eris wanted to go ride on. Huh? The Ferris wheel. Ooh. 50. Hi. Flying elephant. It's Hey Riz, wait! Huh? What do you think? Are you excited? I said, are you excited because you've been wanting to ride the elephant, the flying elephant? Are you excited? Eris wants to ride. Eris wants to ride. Yeah, that's the church. That's the church. That's the bingo. What? Yeah. The Ferris wheel. And that's the one that you and Eris rode with Papa. Moon rocket. It's the moon rocket. I like that one. The horsey. You're not riding the horsey. Kuya, come here. Come here. It's Mr. Ferris wheel son.
Mama, that's too high.
Is it too high?
I'm almost on that. Mama,
That one?
That one.
Yeah, it's like a merry-go-round. Yes. You said you wanted to ride on the other one, so now they got it cranking up.
Oh, look, Mama.
Yeah. Huh?
Look.
Mm. Wait, Eris. It's just gonna be you. You're gonna be okay?
No.
Oh, he's not gonna want to ride. Okay, it's okay. We'll just try the other one. That one. The horsey one, okay? Di siya mo ride. Ay, labas sakya ka. Mura man yung ride ni Kuya nga. Muambak siya.
Eris, are you scared?
Kena kusog dong ah.
Dikit po pagyatag.
Kena pinakakusog ah. Kena ngalipat ang mata. Hala. Kena malipat ang mata. Hi. Labit bitaw, nagkakusog na ro, basta.
I'm getting dizzy. Mama, stop it! Oh, you can talk to me.
I'm going up.
Kamu ronda.
Wait, it's not gonna go up and down. It's just gonna go plain. They're not gonna go fast. We can tell them not to go fast. The girls are gonna go ride, I think. Okay, we're gonna go ride on this one. Just you and Eris. You better hang on to Eris. It's not gonna go up and down like the elephant though. Haliyas. Here, Eris, this one. Yep, but hang on to Eris. Eris, go first. Sige, hang on ha, hang on. Guniti si Eris ya. Guniti si Eris. Yee! Woohoo! Look at the girls. We can tell them not to go fast. Hello, Eris and I are gonna ride. It's for Eris' birthday. Happy birthday, Naknak. We love you. Kuya is afraid, so he's over there with the shooting with Papa. That's where Kuya. That's right there. That's where Kuya's at, because he's scared to ride this one. It's just a carousel. It's gonna go around. Whee!
What's a bounce?
It's not gonna bounce fast. It's just gonna go round, around, and around, and around. Woohoo! It's the Calesa. You don't want to go for a ride. This is fun. You're missing out, Kuya. I think Kuya's afraid after riding the roller coaster. It's going around. Kuya. Hey. Hi. See, it's fun. There you go. Hang on. It's night time. We are heading home. We are done. What you got, Kuya?
Chicken.
Kuya, we are heading home. We are tired.
I like it when it's tiny.
We are tired.